Welcome to the next video of getting ready for the rally again. I start the day with the perfect thing that everyone needs, a coffee, a freshly made coffee. In the previous video, you have seen how the rear was developed and the wheels are mounted. Actually, I'm so glad the bike becomes looking like a bike again. So there are emotions, but the bike itself can't show them, because who can show emotions without a face? And today I install the face and create some things that are in my mind for a long time. One thing that I want to do is to build my own cooling radiator grid. I will use the OEM parts for it. I just get rid of these plastic fairings within, and I will build in this mashed metal shield. Here we go. That's it. Look at it. It looks much better than expected. What have I done? Ah! This is the right one. Ooh. As I will do the paint job with all the other parts together, this will happen on another day. Now that I've done the paint job, I can assemble the two parts. It looks great. If I have edited the video correctly, you have seen now how the parts are prepared, but there are three things that aren't yet in the video. At the rally in Sardegna, I just totally smashed my visor. Woo. And this time I got a new one out of metal that can be attached on the bike with a quick release. And also for the windshield, on the former version I just drilled some new holes in it to have a higher position. But this time I just got the razors for Touratech so it can be adjusted. But the thing that will make the most work in this video might be the thing I have in hand. It's the carburetor. The part will be to install the bracket itself, so everything can be attached. I will start with these two things, and then I already come to develop the solution for the carburetor. I forgot to record one of the key takes for the next part that has to be developed, and it's all about the holder for the new tablet. So it's going to be something like a rally tower, but a self-made developed part. And it's going to replace the old part here that has been made for the Garmin Sumo. But now I need something that is much stiffer and much more reliable, because the tablet and the holder together weigh more than 1 kilo. I should have recorded an explanation on the bike how it will be built, and yeah, I just haven't. So I will just show you a time lapse of how the part has been developed until it's finally going to be assembled.
Hello? This is a story for the people who don't give a fuck about rules, laws, and all the stuff of society. Those who not, you better run, you better prepare, cause we will rise, we will pitch in to hold the key. You thought it's all about the power to lead the masses, nothing more than a bunch of Gemini.
One day later, I had to work a lot on it. I found a cool solution, and this really self-made tower is assembled this way. These are the parts that have to be assembled to mount the carburetor properly on the bike. I just used the middle bar and drilled 2 holes in it, made an M5 thread so they can be attached the right way in. And they'll be mounted, carrying all the weight, and transfer it to the OEM mount and also to the part where the speedo is attached. Next, we have the speedo, and therefore I have all these drilled holes so it can be sticking in other way around. So, and then the rubber pieces should match completely this part down here. So I should better get the screws first. These two screws might be the only weak point in the whole construction because they connect everything together. No risk, no fun. And when you're wondering, this side is still loose because it is time for the new face. So this has to get out here. I will mount the windshield so I can really test if anything is touching. It better not, because I can't change this complete setup again. This is definitely touching. This way around it doesn't touch, so but I do not like the angle at all on the highest position. On the lowest position, I can't use the whole capacity of the incline position, but there is another solution. Actually, the carpet heater holder has 6 holes and you only have to use 4 of them. And I can just mount the upper 2 parts where the screw can be attached, but then, yeah, sadly, the carpet heater itself will be lowered. Yeah, now it works. Yeah, the steepest, or how to say, the most flat position is supposed to be applied when standing, and this is an off-road thing, and when riding off-road the windshield will be at the lowest position, and so it really gets to the maximum. When the windshield is at the highest position that provides the most wind protection, it's no longer possible to incline the bracket to the maximum, but in this position I will usually ride on highways and then I will sit on the bike. So let's have a walk around. Get it down. I hope you can see it properly. This is the rider view. In the low position, it is able to flex all this way, so there's a lot of possibility to adjust it. Tighten it a little bit. So it can be adjusted many different ways, and it's not really offending the speedo. This one is showing the gear, but it's damaged since the day I have the bike. It's not really a necessary thing. And now, for the very first moment, I proudly present you how the carpet heater will be on the bike. This is really the first time. Is there something in the way? Awesome. It's really heavy. It has to be tightened good. The wiring of the tablet and how to adjust it with the remote control and all the other parts will be part of another video. Thank you for watching. I would be happy if you subscribe or give me some thumbs up. Of course, you will get an information for the next video, part 5 I think, where the electric, the handlebar and everything will be settled. So stay tuned. Goodbye.